Whether you have 5 trucks or 5,000 trucks, the software that will help you achieve process excellence is here. Introducing eresource 3GL ERP, the ultimate solution tailored for your transportation business.
From managing your fleet to ensuring streamlined operations, eresource 3GL ERP is designed to take your transportation management to the next level.
Our comprehensive suite of modules includes Transportation CRM, build better client relationships and manage customer needs effectively. Price Matrix. Configure rates effortlessly with options like kilometer-wise, trip-wise, per ton per kilometer, and more. Consignment waybill notes. Generate and manage crucial transport documents in seconds. Contract and order management. Simplify contracts, streamline orders, and reduce paperwork. Loading instructions and vehicle checklists. Enhance safety and efficiency before every trip. Trip management. From start to end, manage trips with precision, including trip acknowledgement, en route expenses, and trip accounting. Accident and transshipment management. Record and track incidents efficiently to minimize disruptions. Tire and battery management. Extend the life of your assets with detailed maintenance tracking.
Take control of your inventory, assets, and financials with modules for Inventory and Stores Management, Fixed Asset Management, Preventive Maintenance Management, Rental Management, Trip-wise and vehicle-wise profitability accounting. Comprehensive financial accounting, and much more.
Built on a low-code, no-code ERP platform, eresource 3GL ERP ensures agility and flexibility in your operations. Our agile implementation methodology ensures deployment is 3 times faster, letting you experience the benefits sooner.
Say goodbye to complexity and hello to simplicity. With features like real-time trip tracking, automated invoicing, and vehicle health monitoring, managing your transportation business has never been this easy.
Discover the future of transportation management with eresource 3GL ERP. Efficiency, scalability, and excellence all in one place. Visit us at www.eresourceerp.com to learn more.
eResource, empowering your journey with innovation.